our new range of Tonie themed shelves. They will mount onto the wall, a couple of shelf brackets, and you're there, or they'll freestand. It's entirely up to you, as is the color. Here's a natural wood version that I made earlier. This one has the magnet holders in the base as well as on the model. So fully loaded. This is designed to take up to 35 Tonies. And this one will hold 17. The speaker and the charger are integrated into the shelf, so it's all one unit, and looks great up there. We're coming up with new ideas for these Tonie shelves all the time. We've got a pirate ship, we've got a princess castle, we've got a tank. So please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, follow us, and keep up to date with the new Tonie shelves as we release them. Oh, and don't forget our latest, the Tonies Turntable. There'll be a separate video about this coming along soon. Thank you for watching. Catch up very soon.